Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths by AMS. In last videos we discussed 1 mark and 2 mark questions from the model paper 1 25-26. In this video we shall take 3 mark questions. The first question in 3 mark section, that is question number 25. Find the coordinates of the center of a circle passing through the points A of -3, 0, B of 0, 2 and C of 0, -3. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಒನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ what they did, they given 3 points. Let us take the point A here. A is -3, 0. Somewhere they given a point B, this is 0, 2 and somewhere they given a point C, that is 0, -3. There is a center of a circle. Let us take, I need to find out the coordinates of the center. So that ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, let the coordinates of center of a circle be x, y. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ O ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದ್ರ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ x, y ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಬೈ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತು, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ನ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ OA, OB ಅಂಡ್ OC. ಸೊ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. x2 - x1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y2 - y1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0, 0, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ x2 y2, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ x1 y1. x2 - x1, that is x minus of -3, x minus of -3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this become x plus 3 whole square plus y square under the square root. On simplification, or else you can keep this as equation 1 first. Further we can simplify. I am going to keep this as equation 1. Now I am going to find out OB. OB is equal to, again by distance formula I am writing directly, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. So this is equal to square root of x minus 0 is x square plus y minus 2 whole square. We will see after cancelling that square root, after equating the equation we will do simplification. Similarly I am going to find out OC. OC is also equal to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus of minus, that is plus 3 whole square. That is also equal to x square plus y plus 3 whole square. Now we have 3 values, OA, OB, OC. We know all these lengths OA, OB, OC are equal because all the 3 things are radius of a same circle. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, first I will take OA is equal to OB and I will try to find out an equation in terms of x and y, and then I will equate that OA to OC and I will find another equation. So equate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, here I am going to get x plus 3 whole square plus y square. Here I am going to get x square plus y minus 2 whole square. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I am going to get square root get cancels with square root. I am going to get x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square plus y square. Here I am going to get x square plus y square minus 2 into y into 2 plus 2 square. So x square y square get cancels with x square y square. So I am going to get 6x plus 9 is equal to minus 4y plus 4. So by shifting everything this side, or else by taking variables this side, we will get minus 4y is equal to 4 minus 9. So that is equal to minus 5. This is what equation 1. Now I am simplifying the other equation, that is OA is equal to OC. So from this implies what we will get, OA is equal to, OA is equal to OC. So this gives what? OA is again x plus 3 whole square plus y square. OC is, what is the length of OC? You can see there, x square y plus 3 whole square. And simplifying this, again square root get cancelled. We are going to get x square, same thing there. So plus 6x plus 9 plus y square, already simplified in the above equation. Here we will get x square y square 2 into y into 3 plus 3 square. Here x square get cancelled with x square, y square get cancelled with y square, 9 get cancelled with 3 square. So I am going to get 6x, 6y, that's it. So x and 6 get cancelled. So we are going to get x minus y equal to 0. Or else we are going to get x is equal to y, anything. Either you can write x minus y equal to 0 and then you can solve by elimination method. Otherwise you can substitute x is equal to y in equation 1. Now equation 1 will becomes, what is that? So 6x plus 4x is equal to minus 5, 10x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 10, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, it is nothing but y. Therefore, what is the coordinates of the center? That is minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. So quite lengthy and a quite different problem. We not have this kind of question in our textbook. We are using linear equation, coordinate geometry, and also in between we use the identities a plus b and a minus b whole square. So you have to practice such kind of questions also for the coming examination. You can pause the video and you can write the solution. Now we'll move on to the next question. So the 26th question is from the chapter circles. Prove that the length of the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. The chapter question is from the chapter circles, theorem 2. Already I have recorded videos on theorems. You can find the proof of this theorem in the theorem playlist. So now I am moving on to the question number 27. Question number 27, it is from the chapter quadratic equation. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel a distance of 132 km. The average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train. Find the average speed. See, I am going to consider, let average speed of passenger train be x kilometer per hour. This implies average speed of express train should be 11 km more than this. So is equal to x ಏನಿದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 11 add ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x plus 11 km per hour. We all know a relation between time, distance and speed. So speed is equal to distance by time is the relation. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, I will use in the same format, speed is equal to distance by time. In case 1 we are traveling a distance of 130 km. Speed is equal to x kilometer per hour. Time I don't know, so I am going to write time 1 I need to find out here. So time is equal to distance by speed, that is 132 km per, so x means passenger train divided by x. Case 2 I am going to use for express train. So here time 2, so distance by speed, same distance 132 km we are traveling. So but 1 minute, so but we are going in a speed of x plus 11 km per hour. See, as we know here the case 2 represent the express train, so definitely it takes a lesser time. How much less? Compared to t1 minus t2. So this is 1. So t1, our passenger train takes 1 hour more. So here we will get 132 divided by x. 132 divided by x plus 11 is equal to 1 hour. So by taking 132 as a common factor, we are going to get so I am going to take 132 as a common factor. So 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 11 is equal to 1. So on cross multiplication, x into x plus 11 is the LCM. We'll get x plus 11 minus x is equal to 1. These two get cancels. 132 into 11 is equal to x into x plus 11. This is the quadratic equation. Now we'll try to read this quadratic equation in the standard form. 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 35, 11 1s are 11, 1 4 5 2 we will get here, x square plus 11x. It is a textbook question, so I hope you all remember the factors of it. If you don't know the factors, just use the prime factorization. 2 7s are 2 2s are 1 carry 2 6 are 2 3s are 2 6 are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 1s are 11 1 11s are. Again, if you want 11 1s are. Now group this to get, see, you can group in any way. The product will be equal to 1 4 5 2. Just you have to group, you have to split these prime factors into two groups in such a way that the difference should be equal to 11. So for that, what I am going to do is I will take this 2 into 2 and I will get multiply this 111 and I will multiply 3 into 11. So therefore the 44 and 33 will become the factors. X square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452. 1452 will be the factors. Now I am going to simplify this. I'm going to simplify this. 1 minute, we'll make some space to write. Yes, so here x is a common factor in the first group. I will get x plus 44. Adhe tara illi minus 11 is the common minus 33 is the common factor. I will get x plus, definitely it is also equal to 44. Just by taking x plus 44 as a common factor, x plus 44 as a common factor, now I am going to get x minus 33 is equal to 0. X plus 44 equal to 0 or x minus 33 equal to 0. We are going to get x is equal to minus 44 and x is equal to plus 3. Speed cannot be negative, therefore this is not possible. So therefore this is the required answer. So what is this x? It is nothing but passenger train. Therefore speed of passenger train is 33 km per hour and express train is 44 km per hour. This is what the solution for this question. It is also quite lengthy, you have to practice. See, generally whenever in any examination it takes more time in 3 mark section only, because we have to answer 9 different questions here in 3 mark section. So definitely it takes more than an hour in an examination, so you have to be very careful while answering 3 mark question. So we have an internal choice for the same question. One is we have in terms of speed, distance, time relation. Now we'll see there is another choice word problem in the same chapter, quadratic equation, which is related to age related problem. The ages of two students A and B are 19 years and 15 years. So what is the present age of A and B? The age of A is 19 years, B is 15 years. Find how many years it will take though that the product of their ages become equal to 40. We don't know how many years. Let required years be x. Required years ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ x ತಗೋಬಿಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂತ x ಇಯರ್ಸ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ x ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈಗ 19 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟು ಈ x ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ 19 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸು, ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸು. ಇವೆರಡರದ್ದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು 480. ಸಿ 19 ಇಂಟು 15 ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 480. ಸೊ 480 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಣ. ಈಗ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 22, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ 18. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ 22 ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ 18 ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಜನರಲಿ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 480 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 19 ಇಂಟು 5, 19 ಇಂಟು 15. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 19 ಇಂಟು 15 ಇಸ್ 285 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 19x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 480 0. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 9 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 14, 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 34x ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 195. ನೋಡಿ ಓದ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒದ್ದಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು 9 10 15 3 ಇಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 6 3 5 5 1 5 3 ಸೊ 34 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 13 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 13 ಇಂಟು 3 ತಗೋತೀನಿ, 39 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 5. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು, ಸೊ therefore ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 39x ಮೈನಸ್ 5x ಮೈನಸ್ 195 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 39 ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 3 4 ಉಳಿತು 45 39. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 39ನ ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೇನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 39 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆರ್ x minus 5 equal to 0. This gives x is equal to minus 39 and this gives x is equal to plus 5. Therefore, plus 5 is the required answer and other one is not possible. Therefore, what we can say, after 5 years, or later 5 years later, after 5 years, the product of ages of A and B is equal to 480. If you want, you can check. 19 ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, 19 and 15 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 5 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 24 and 19. ಸೊ 24 ಮತ್ತು 19ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ 24 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 24 plus 20. So 24 ಮತ್ತೆ 20 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is equal to 480. So now we'll move on to the next question. Question number 28 from the chapter trigonometry. It is a textbook question only. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ RHS ನ modify ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So LHS ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So let us consider LHS. So what we have here, secant A 1 minus sin A secant A plus tan A. This is what the terms in the LHS. We need to simplify this by using the trigonometric identities, but identities cannot be applied here directly as we don't have square for the trigonometric ratios. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು sin cos convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Secant can be written as 1 by cos A minus sin A. Secant can be written as again 1 by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. I will take the LCM here, so it becomes 1 by sin A divided by cos A. Outside ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು LCM ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, cos A ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus sin A. ಸೊ LHS ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಲಿ 1 minus sin square A ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ cos square A ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 minus sin square A is cos square A divided by cos square A. The answer will be equal to 1. So now we got the value of LHS as 1. Now we'll try to simplify RHS and we'll find out the value. So now I am going to consider the terms in the RHS. Under the square root we have 1 plus cos A 1 minus cos A into outside we have cosecant A. Don't get confused, don't put square root for even cosecant. So just we can see the terms in the right hand side. So here we have one already 1 plus cos A 1 minus cos A, ಅದು A square minus B square ಇಂದ 1 minus cos square A into cosecant A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 minus cos square is sin square, under the square root ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ square root remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin A into cosecant A. Cosecant A can be done as 1 over sin A. So cancel ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is also equal to 1. Therefore what we can say, LHS is equal to, this is what the proof for this question. Question number 1028. So we have an internal choice even for this question also. We'll see the next question how it is. So sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta tan theta divided by, so I am going to start with LHS again. As we have fractions here, we can simplify that by taking LCM. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, LHS ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta tan theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. The LCM will be equal to, see, LCM will be equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, right? So here I am going to get sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus tan theta into 1 minus cos theta. So on simplification this gives sin theta plus sin theta cos theta, here tan theta. So if you multiply tan theta, that we'll get tan theta into cos theta, but sin theta can be written as sin by cos, and cos cancel again, that becomes, this becomes what, sin theta. This becomes what, sin theta. In the next step I am going to write sin theta plus sin theta cos theta plus tan theta minus sin theta. In the denominator we have 1 minus cos square, that is equal to sin square theta. So sin theta get cancelled, one is positive, one is negative. So next I left with sin theta cos theta divided by sin square theta, tan theta divided by sin square theta. One sin get cancelled, cos by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Here 1 over sin square theta will keep as it is, tan can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. 1 sin theta again get cancelled, left with 1 by sin. 1 by sin theta can be written as cosecant theta, 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta. I hope this is what the required RHS. Cot theta plus secant theta cosecant theta. So that is the required RHS. See, again it is a new problem. We don't have this question in our exercise, but very simple, just by taking LCM and by using the one identity 1 minus cos square and also quotient and reciprocal relation, we can find out the result. You can pause the video and you can write down the solution. Now I am moving on to the next question, question number 29, that is from chapter polynomials. So there are two questions here. Let me divide the page into two parts, so we can do one on the left and other on the right. So I'm going to divide this into two parts. We'll see, we'll try to solve one question on the left and other question on the right. Now see, LHS, first question I am going to take the first question on the left side and second question here. So what I am going to get, write a quadratic polynomial with sum. So let the zeros be, alpha and beta. What is given? Sum is given, sum is 2, product is given, that is minus 8. First I would like to find out polynomial. Polynomial is equal to x square alpha plus beta x into plus alpha beta. So this is equal to k into minus 2x minus 8. Put k is equal to 1 here. So we are going to get the polynomial p of x as x square minus 2x minus 8. So now you have to factorize this. For that p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 2 are the factors. So x common tagondre x minus 4 plus 2 common tagondre x minus 4. Take out x minus 4 as outside. So we'll get x plus 2. To find zeros, put x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So the zeros of the polynomial are x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 and 4 plus 4 are alpha and beta are required. This is what the solution for the question number 29. Very simple. Next, the second one, they ask us to find out the value of the expression. For that, they given polynomial p of x is equal to x square. Let me write x square plus 3x plus 1. See, let us write the values of a, b, c here. The value of a is 1, value of b is 3, value of c is 1. Let us try to find out the sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta, we all know that is minus b by a, that is minus 3. Alpha into beta, that is c by a, that is equal to 1 by 1, that is nothing but 1. So I want to find out the first expression value, 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Most important, tumba sati exam bandirodu. So just by taking LCM, I can rewrite the given expression in terms of sum and product. So ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus 3 by 1. Therefore the value of 1 over alpha by 1 over beta is equal to minus 3. Second one, I have to find out alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Here also just by taking LCM alpha beta, I can convert that one into product into sum. Product is equal to 1, sum is equal to minus 3. Therefore the answer is minus 3. Question number 29 is, we can say, easiest among the problems what we solved until here. Now I am moving on to the 30th question. ABC is a right angle triangle. Let us draw one right angle triangle here. So I am trying to write one triangle. Select, yes. So this is what the right angle triangle ABC. So here BAC is 90. BAC is 90. A is 90. So I am going to consider a right angle triangle in which A is 90. They drawn AD perpendicular to BC. So AD na ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದೇನಿದೆ perpendicular ಇದೆ. So then show that AB square. Look at this, AB square. AB square ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಸತಿ AB, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. BC ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? I have BC here. ಸೊ AB ಮತ್ತೆ BC ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ABC. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು BD ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Here we have BD. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಇದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ABD ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ABC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ A, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ D, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ 90. ಮತ್ತೆ B is equal to B ಕಾಮನ್. What we have here, angle B is equal to angle B, which is common. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ therefore by angle criteria ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBC. ಈಗ CPST ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we'll get the answer. ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ? AB ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ AB divided by, ಸಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರದೆ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನದು ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಎಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಡಿ, ಬಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಬಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿ ಬಿ ಎ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಬಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಎ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಎ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಬಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ answer. So the ratio we are written here by using corresponding parts of similar triangle. This is how we can solve question number 30. Now I am moving on to the question number 31. The minute hand of a wall clock is 18 meter long. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 35 minutes. See, we all know minute hand covers, minute hand covers how many degrees in 1 hour? Andre in 60 minutes it's cover 360 degree. Andre 1 minute ge 360 by 60 andre 6 degree na cover ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Covers 6 degree in 1 minute. Hangare this implies in 35 minutes it covers how much? 35 into 6, 6 5 is 30, 3 remaining, 6 3 is 18, 210 degree. 35 minutes ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 210 degree. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಥೀಟಾ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು? 18 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸ್ವೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ 35 minutes. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಏರಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಂತ್. ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 210 divided by 360. ಇದು 22 by 7, just ಇದು 18. So r square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸರಿ. 1010 get cancel. 18 1s are 18 2s are 7 1s are 7 3s are 2 1s are 2 9s are. So we'll get 9 into 3 27 into 22. So 27 into 22, if you multiply 2 7s are 14, 1 carry 54. Illu kuda 54 barutte. So that is equal to how much? 594 centimeter square area is swept by the minute hand in 35 minutes. Length of an arc find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. L is equal to same formula, but instead of area we have to take perimeter. 210 divided by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 18. 10 get cancelled. 18 1s are 18 2s are 2 2 get cancelled. 7 1s are 7 3s are. So 3 into 22, that is 66 centimeter is the area length of an arc subtended by that angle theta in 35 minutes. This is what the solution for question number 31. Now I am moving on to question number 32. A box contains the cards numbered from 6 to 70. If one card is drawn from the random, then find the probability of perfect squares. How many perfect square between 6 to 20? Let us write the set first here. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 6 ಇಂದ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ 1 2. ಸೊ 1 3 square 4 square 5 square 6 square 7 square 8 square 9 square ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು. ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 5 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? 10 15 10 15 20 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 40 45 50 55 60. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 70 is also considered. 65 70. Now an odd number less than 30, an odd number less than 30 ಕೊಟ್ಟು 30 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರು ಬಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 6. ನಾವು 1 ಇಂದ ತಗೋಬಾರದು, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದಿರೋದೇ ನನ್ನ ಚೀಟಿಗಳಿರೋದೇ 6 ಇಂದ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. So if you want, you can use the concept of arithmetic progression here. First 2 terms ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊನೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು AP ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ 6 to 70 ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 5 ನಂಬರ್. 10 ಇಂದ 70 ವರೆಗೆ 60 ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ 65 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ n ಆಫ್ s? 65. ಈಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 by 65 is the answer. Second one ge probability of the event is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 by 65. 13 divided by 65. So that is also can be written as 1 by 5. Third one probability of event is how many odd number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 divided by 65. These are the probabilities for the given event. As we have a lesser numbers here, I wrote I tried to listed all the numbers ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ instead of writing all the numbers, by taking 1 or 2 numbers, initial 2 numbers, you can use arithmetic progression concept to find out the value number of terms in that series. Now I am moving on to the last final question in this video and also in this section. Find the mean. So to find out mean, first I want to find out xi. So I will try to write the value of xi here. Xi means class mark, we all know. 0 to 10 andre 5, midpoint. Class mark is nothing but midpoint of class interval is to be written. 0 ಇಂದ 10 ಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯ 5, 10 ಇಂದ 20 ಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯ 15, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 25, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 35, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 45. So ನಾನು I am not going to use direct method here, as we have bigger numbers here. I am going to find out di as xi minus a. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. x minus a ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಗೋಬೋದು, ನಾನು 25ನ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. 5 minus 25, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು xi, ಇದು a. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -20, ಇಲ್ಲಿ -10, 0, 10, 20. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ UI ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ UI ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. UI ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ h ಬೇಕು. h ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು? 10. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. ಈಗ FI UI ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ FI, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ UI. 4 into 2 -8, 9 into 1 -1, ಇದು 0 ಆಯಿತು. ಇದು 14, 8 2 is 16. ಸೊ ಇದೆಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30. ಇಲ್ಲೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 9, 10, 17. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ FI UI is, ಇಲ್ಲಿ -17 ಇದೆ, 30 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ +13. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ FI ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 8, 12, 17, 17, 3, 20, 26, 30, 3 ಉಳಿತು, 4, 5, 50 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್? a plus summation of FI UI divided by summation of FI into h. A is 25, summation of FI UI is 13, this is 50 into 10. 10 ones are 10 5s are 25 plus 5 2s are 10.6. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? 27.6 is the mean. So x bar is the notation to denote mean. So 27.6 is the mean for the given problem. Now there is an internal choice for the same question. So let us see the second question. Find the mode of the following data. Mode is very easy. Modal class I need to identify. Which is the modal class? with a maximum frequency. So this will become the modal class. This is what? Modal class. The frequency of the modal class is called as f1. Previous one is f0. The succeeding one is f2. So lower limit of modal class interval is 25. H is 25 to 5. Other things I have listed. Mode is equal to, what is the formula? L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is the formula to find out mode. L andre 25, f1 minus f0 andre 15 minus 9, 2 into f1 andre 30, f0 is 9 minus f2 is 9 into h is 5. Now on simplification we have 25 plus 15 minus 9 is 6, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 into 5. 9 9 18, 18 ಹೋದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12. 6 1s are 6 2s are. So 25 plus 5 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ 2.5. What is the mode of the data? That is 27.5 is the mode for the data. So these are the solutions we saw. There are many lengthy questions in this model paper. So dear boys, you have to practice very well. Don't neglect it. So 3 mark questions alle tumba ನಾವು time na waste ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. I only took 41 minutes to record the solutions for this one. So ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ practice ಮಾಡಿ. All the best. We'll meet in my next video with the solutions for 4 mark and also for 5 mark question. All the best. Keep watching. Subscribe my channel to get more updates on mathematics. Thank you.